Hi, my name is Jonard Ryan Losurata Navarro. I'm 20 years old and from Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Region 11. The proposition is, Sangguniang Kabataan to be abolished or reformed. Well, as a former Sangguniang Kabataan of Barangay Apukon, SK should be reformed. Let me give you three arguments. First, the age bracket of the SK must be changed. Instead of 15 to 17 years old, it must be 17 to 21 years old. 17 to 21 is more mature in terms of thinking strategy, planning activities, and especially making resolutions. Second, SK is a non-partisan form of organization. Incumbent officials should not literally support the SK candidates who are running for the position, like to the extent seeing the SK candidates and barangay officials in one tarpaulin. With this, it promotes peace and fairness in all candidates. Lastly, a person who is running for SK officers should have or attain formal education and has a leadership award during his or her high school years or college years. Or, somewhat we will say, he has experiences on leadership. Thank you.